Hi, I'm Rich Davis, Director of Solutions at Netskope. I want to start by talking about the fundamental problem that so many I&O teams and leaders tell me they're having today. And that's maintaining performance, reliability and visibility as they navigate this new era of Gen AI powered apps and users needing access from anywhere. And also why this is a significant turning point for enterprise connectivity. Now, security teams insist that all traffic is inspected to reduce the risks facing an organization. And this is the crux of any next-gen infrastructure decision. How do you meet the needs of security and networking? Consolidated, yet secure, performant, reliable, and one that provides the visibility that both teams need. Now, this was already a focus for organizations, but Gen AI brings a whole new dimension, with large volumes of data movement via new protocols, which both need fast connectivity, but also need to be secure. In fact, some predict as much as 25% of all breaches will actually be related to Gen AI agent abuse by 2028. Now, the answer is not to layer on another tool or transit path, but to adopt a consolidated framework. Secure Access Service Edge, or SASE, is a framework that is rapidly being adopted, with over 60% of large enterprises either having adopted or are planning to adopt a SASE framework. That's a 15% increase in just a couple of years. Now, SASE, for those unfamiliar, is a framework that brings together WAN connectivity using SD-WAN technology with secure access capabilities to connect to and secure web, Gen AI, cloud, and private apps. Now, SASE at its foundation includes data security capabilities, but these typically look at data in motion. Now, the majority of organizations I talk to want to extend this framework to include data at rest and data at use, especially as this pertains to Gen AI, which means incorporating posture management, controlling data exchanges, including agent-to-agent comms, and injecting data security into the runtime. But vendor SASE solutions are not created equally. The benefits of a consolidated approach can only be realized by a true platform, one that meets the needs of both security and infrastructure teams with zero compromise. And that's our aim here at Netskope, to allow organizations to adopt a SASE Plus framework with our Netskope One platform, offering real measurable benefits, cost savings through consolidation, user productivity increase, and risk reduction. Now, there are many considerations when thinking about a move to a new model, but I want to close with three to think about. Number one, understand all of your access and connectivity requirements. Look for edge cases and make sure everything is covered by your vendor of choice. Number two, understand what the future looks like in terms of your organization's use of Gen AI. Are they planning to build apps with public or private models, and how do you provide connectivity and security for this? And thirdly, ask your technology partners how they're using Gen AI, and how is that going to help improve your operations? Do they have agents that can be used to automate tasks, make policy recommendations, or provide instant triage and investigation? Now, ultimately, you also need to ask yourself this final question. Are you and your organization ready for a move from a network-centric access model to a data and app-centric access model? Thank you.